The castle is temporarily closed for repairs. Plan, construct, erect, orgasm, fight, defend, lose, death, weeds, sun, nature, civilization, reconstruct, restore, buy your ticket at the door, the tourist trade, reintegration, the second death. We see time, brick on rubble on brick, and as we see it, we end it. And yet it continues around us. We are its bricks and its rubble. We must turn our backs on our phony past before it engulfs us, on the castles, on the wars, on the erections, on our own building, of our own building. If there is orgasm, let us be that orgasm. If there is finality, let us live finality. Opposite the fortress stands the mountain.